Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today we will be discussing about how to remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. So currently, as you can see, I'm onto my admins panel. You're going to be heading over to your sales channel on the left side of your screen, then click onto your online store. You can see we have different options showing up in here, so multiple of them, but we need to simply click onto these three dots right next to customize. Once you do, you can see we have edit default theme content. Simply head over to this option. We have multiple options showing up in here, and from here we are going to be choosing the option, like for example, if you want to simply manipulate general settings, you have general in here and various others as well. So what we need to do is, here you can see we have this showing up, these three dots. We're going to be clicking onto them and then head over to sections. Now scroll down a bit until you can see the shipping related content, like for example you can see taxes included, and what we need to do is we are going to be removing this particular line from here, taxes included, discounts and shipping calculated at checkout. So this is the exact thing that we are looking for. All you need to do is remove it from here. Once you do, you can see a save option just popped up on top. Click on save, and once you do, we are done with our process. So that's how you can easily remove shipping calculated at checkout on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.